Hi everyone, Lydia, aka Drywall Shorty here, and today I'm going to go over how to install a piece of Trim-Tex 4010 staple-on corner bead. So this is a vinyl product. It has a nice little mud bump here, so when you finish, this is what you'll see. You'll mud right up to this, and then you'll have this mud bump as what's showing after it's all done. So when I'm installing this, I am using Trim-Tex glue. It's a spray adhesive. And I'm going to be spraying both the vinyl and the drywall. So the reason I'm doing that is so it can tack and it'll hold together. I'm also going to be stapling using a stapler as per the Trim-Tex instructions to glue and staple on the corner bead. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to shake up my glue. Go ahead and spray the drywall. So this glue is made to work with Trim-Tex products. So it's kind of sticky. It's kind of an extra sticky glue. So after I have it glued, I'm just gonna let it sit for like a couple seconds. Make sure I have everything on there pretty good. Let it kind of tack up. If I go on it immediately, it'll be slippery and then the bead can slide on me. So then I'm going to place it over my corner. As you can see, the glue is already grabbing pretty good. And then just kind of work it into place. Now the nice thing about vinyl corner bead is you can immediately coat this. After I have it stapled and the glue is dry, I can be right on it and I can get my coats on, which is super convenient for jobs that you have time constraints on or jobs you need to make sure you're putting at least a coat on a day immediately after. Staple this on. Of course, watch out when you're stapling for screws. And now this is ready to coat. So I'm gonna go grab my mud, I'm gonna grab a knife, and we're just gonna go ahead and coat this, and then I'll show you what this mud bump looks like when it's all done. So this is ready to coat. I have my mud all mixed up. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a 10. And when I coat this, I'm gonna leave on a pretty good amount of mud here. This is our film coat, first coat. So when this is all done, this is what's gonna show up. So when you sand and after your corner bead is finished, this mud bump here is what you're gonna have that is your look. So it's nice, it's soft, it's round. There's a bunch of different options. You can go a little sharper, you can go with the chamfered, bullnose, kind of endless with the finishes. So we got our first coat on, it's gonna go ahead and dry, and then we'll turn around and coat it again for a level 3 and one more time then for a level 4. So this is super convenient, super easy. You can just get it on and coat it immediately afterwards, and then you can get your job moving forward. It's perfect for residential, commercial, remodels, whatever it is that you're looking to use this for. And it's really just a great product. So this is the Trim-Tex 4010 Staple Glue On Vinyl Corner Bead. Thanks guys.